So I got caught out here on a swarm call. I'm at Durabond Pipe. It's huge. I'll take some video and some pictures on the way out, but here's the swarm that I'm looking at. It's a little one. And we're gonna get them in a box here. And they should just walk in. That's the plan anyway. All right, I got the box up here. We're gonna put it closer to the bees and hopefully they just magically walk in like they usually do. Gonna put it up. I'll put the video back up here in just a little bit. There we go. All I did was put the box there. I love watching them march in. Doesn't get old anytime. Watch them go. When they walked in, they were looking like they might go airborne on me before I got things set up, so I'm hoping they keep on marching in there. Well, they're going into the box not because the queen's in there, but because it smells like home. It's got very familiar smells of the hive. They're looking for a home anyhow, and so that's where they're marching to. It will be their new home. We're gonna knock these down in a little bit more. I had already knocked them a little bit. Don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Bunch of bees down on the landing board there now. Very awkward to try and find a queen. I don't have much space to work with here, so I'm just going to let them march in. Fanning going on up here. It's bigger than I thought. It's kind of deep on the back end of this. It's probably about 3 inches. On the back of this metal thing here, metal bumper thing that they park against. So my iPhone, that's what I was recording with, the space filled up on that and the battery about died. So that's all the video I have on this. I was able to get a few pictures of the place I was at, which is just unbelievable. I think it was an old steel production plant back in the day. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I did get most all the bees into the box, and I'll be checking them out to see if the queen's laying and how they're doing in a few weeks. So enjoy. If you like, click thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.